In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through adding a new theme to your Shopify store. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to refresh the look of your online store, selecting the right theme is crucial for enhancing the shopping experience of your customers. Let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin panel. You can do this by opening up your web browser and logging into your Shopify account. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the dashboard of your Shopify store where all the vital controls are found. Now, our first task is to navigate to the theme section. Locate the Themes option on the left sidebar of your dashboard. This is your gateway to modifying the appearance of your store. Click on Themes and you'll find yourself on the Theme Management page. Here you have the opportunity to import a theme. To do this, you'll see a button labeled Import Theme. Clicking this will allow you to import theme files that you may have sourced externally. This can be particularly handy if you've purchased a theme from a third-party provider or have had a custom theme created for your business. Just ensure you have a zip file ready for upload, as that's the format Shopify accepts. If you're eager to explore Shopify's own theme offerings, there's an easy way to do that right from within your admin. Still on the Theme Management page, you'll notice an option to Visit Theme Store. Click on this link and you'll be taken to Shopify's official theme marketplace. This is a curated collection of themes designed to seamlessly integrate with your Shopify store. Now, while browsing the theme store, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by the options available. Shopify provides both free and premium themes. Consider what features are essential for your business. Do you need a theme optimized for large inventories, or perhaps one that offers a sleek single product focus? It's all about choosing the right theme that complements the style and functionality requirements of your business. Once you've explored and found a theme that resonates with your brand, select it. Before finalizing your choice, you can view a demo of the theme in action. This is a great way to assess the visual and functional aspects in a contextual setting. Once satisfied, you can proceed to either purchase or download the theme depending on whether it's a paid or free selection. After acquiring the theme, the final step is to apply it to your store. Back in your Shopify admin panel, you should now see the option to Add or Publish as Draft Theme. Selecting this will allow you to make any necessary tweaks or test it out before setting it live for your customers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll successfully import and implement a new theme on your Shopify store. This new theme can significantly enhance not only the aesthetic appeal but also the functionality of your store. Thanks for watching and happy selling!